Okay, hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. In this week tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a child theme of your current theme. So the current theme that we are using is the 2025 theme, or we call template. And I want to create a child theme using the simplest method, which is to use a plugin. So I already installed and activated this plugin. It's called WP Child Theme Generator. You can simply search for child theme in your add plugin page by going to plugins, add plugin, search for child theme and install this plugin called WP Child Theme Generator. So once it has been installed and activated, you can go to Appearance, Child Theme Gen. Click on that option and you can choose a theme. Currently, I'm using 2025 theme. Okay, and the theme is 2025 child. You can change this title if you want to. Alternative, you can also type in if you want to change the description. You can also type in any description. So I will just type in customize by Casey, and then you can create and activate. You can leave the optional information blank, then click on create child theme. So once the child theme has been created and activated, you can see that now you are using 2025 child theme. The reason why I want to share with you using or creating a child theme instead of using your parent theme is because in the case where you need to make changes to the themes function.php file, it is better for you to create a child theme first and then make the changes to this child theme functions.php file. Because in future, when you update the theme of 2025 version, this child theme will not be affected. So the functions.php file will still remain and save your custom coding. But without the use of child theme, you edit the function file 2025 theme. Then in future, when you update 2025 theme, all your customization in the function file will get missing and get overwritten. So using a child theme is the safest way to make sure your customized coding will save properly and always in your functions.php file. So I hope that this video is useful for you. Any questions, feel free to post in the discussion area below. Thank you.